भी आईफा वाले आपके बारे में बात करते हैं वो हर बार यही कहते हैं कि शाहरुख हमारे लिए परिवार है, फैमिली है। लंदन में आप थे इन द ईयर 2000, बॉलीवुड सितारे तो थे ही, एंजेलिना जोली भी थी, जैकी चैन भी थे। I really want you to walk down memory lane, flashbacks of a few of the IFAs that you've done, and why is it so special for you?
First of all, a very good evening to everyone and a warm welcome to the Honorable Deputy CM, Diya Kumari ji, and all dignitaries and friends who've come from Rajasthan, and of course, all the colleagues here, Nora, Karthik, you, Kanan, and all our media friends and partners and sponsors of IFA. It's always great to come down here. I've been doing this now for, I didn't realize it till actually about 10-15 days back, कि 25 साल से मैं आंद्रे और विराफ और सब्बास के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ। तुम सिर्फ 23 साल से कर रहे हो, और तुम्हें उन 23 साल में जो 2 साल में तुम नहीं थे, एंजेलिना जोली ही याद रही। तुम 2 सालों के बाद आए थे करना, तुम्हें पता है ना? But it's been a great journey. It was too much fun, like Andre said, and Viraf and Sabas. Of course, I have some very fond memories. They've always been very hardworking. I've known them, and in no which way demeaning or deriding the status. At that point in time, I just want to point out the hard work they've been doing. I remember them arranging chairs and different award functions for all of us, being kind to us, showing us warmth, and from the beginning of the show till the end of the entertainment ended, they were always looking after us. So they were bound for doing some wonderful things, and I think the creation of IFA by the 3 of them and their whole team over the years is a marvelous achievement, taking Indian cinema global. And I've had too much fun, starting from the Dome, then in Toronto. We have some very wonderful memories, some very wild ones which we can't talk about, but they've been good times, and they've only been good times with IFA, and inshallah I pray for them that they continue to take Indian cinema global, put it on a platform which makes us relevant all around the world. It's always been fantastic performing for them, the production qualities, the way they look after everyone, and extremely hospitable and warm people. So when we leave our town, when we leave our country and we go outside, it's really, you know, initially we used to be like, अरे यार न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं, कौन ध्यान रखेगा, कैसा होगा? But they were always there, early in the morning to pick us up from the airport, drop us after the show. So it's been a great journey. And as a matter of fact, I've always wondered, said to them, कि यार आप हमारे देश में करो. अभी प्रिंसेस दिया कुमारी जी भी यही फरमा रही थी कि हमारा आईफा जो है यहाँ हमारे देश में होना चाहिए. So it's wonderful, no better place than Rajasthan and Jaipur to be hosting this. Just to remind you, because I've been told by them, याद दिला देना लोग भूल ना जाए, 8 और 9 तारीख 9 मार्च 2025 को जयपुर में हमारा शो होगा. तो आप सबको आमंत्रण है, प्लीज़ आइएगा और वहाँ पे हमारे साथ एंजॉय कीजिएगा और इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट कीजिएगा. एंड yeah, it's been really wonderful. I'm in the middle of going to shoot a film, but when they said it's 25 years, I need to be there. So I've rushed here, and I'm hoping and looking forward to being in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, on the 9th of March, and enjoying as we've enjoyed the last 25 years. So thank you, Aifa. Thank you, Andre. Thank you, Viraf. Thank you, Sabas.
एक स्लोगन होती है जो दिल से निकलती है शाहरुख, जहां पे भी जाते हैं. The way the stadium screams, "We love you, Shahrukh." How many of you say that all the time? Put your hands up, everybody. There you go. Karthik, आप जो भी छूते हैं is becoming a blockbuster, and we are so proud of your journey. और तहे दिल से लगता है कि अपना ही बंदा जीत रहा है और अच्छा काम कर रहा है. पिछले साल शाहरुख ने होस्ट किया और इस साल आप होस्ट करने वाले हैं. Does that make you nervous? What do you feel inside?
आप सवाल ऐसे पूछते हो, ऑलरेडी डर लगने लगता है जवाब देने का. I think first of all, again, good evening everyone. I think it's been a lovely evening amongst all of you, and sharing the stage with Shahrukh sir. Thank you sir for being here. Honorable Diya Kumari ji, Nora, Andre, Sabas, Viraf, you've been wonderful as always, and Sid Kanan ji, आपने 23 years पूरे किए आईफा पे, तो इनके लिए भी थोड़ी सी तालियां इनके लिए भी कर दीजिए. Yes, I think I'm just too happy to be a part of the 25th anniversary of IFA. Host करने वाला हूँ. I think I hope कि मैं second best hosting कर पाऊँ because इनको कोई beat नहीं कर सकता. And शाहरुख सर जब भी hosting किए हैं या perform किए हैं, I think he's been at it. He's been wonderful. It's always been like a stadium effect when he comes on stage. So I'm just happy to be a part of this entire association with IFA. It's been a global stage with IFA every time, and finally coming home to Jaipur, to Rajasthan, I think it feels wonderful to be doing it in India and celebrating the wonderful films, the performances of the year, and I'm really looking forward to this. I'm really looking forward to the entire hosting campaign, hosting session, and being on stage at IFA in Jaipur on 8th and 9th of March 2025.
Well, I know you will create magic, Karthik. We believe that. Talia, Karthik le bhi. I had a beautiful observation last time. तो जो लोग हॉल स्टेज पे आ रहे थे to receive trophies तो उन्होंने लिया, पर सबको एक जादू की झप्पी जरूर चाहिए थी from Shahrukh, and it was so beautiful because every person said, "Hey, I love the trophy, but I want a hug." So thank you, Shahrukh, for all the warmth. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm going to take that mic from both of you, please, क्योंकि एक photo op करना है.
I want to just say that Karthik is going to host this 25th year, the most wonderful and fantastic, just so that I can pass off the mantle to him. तो इसको मैं सिखा देता हूँ कि जयपुर में शुरुआत कैसे करनी है. तो पहले हमको बोलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि दिया कुमारी जी भी यहाँ पर हैं. पधारो मारे आइफा.
पधारो मारे आइफा.
पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान.
पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान.
And खम्मा घनी.
खम्मा घनी.
क्या बात है. थैंक यू. अब मैं चाहूंगा कि हमारे मीडिया के दोस्तों के लिए आप लोग एक फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी कर ले. Ladies and gentlemen, Shahrukh Khan and Karthik Aaryan.
Oh my God, I'm supposed to dance?
Okay, I'm going to tell you that later. Hello, this is internal conversation.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, so now Nora,
Yes.
IFA, you know how much of love and respect they all have for IFA. You're going to be part of the IFA Digital Awards.
Yes.
You've already chalked out your plan of action. What are you going to be performing? What are those tracks? I'm really curious.
Yes, of course. First of all, good evening to everybody. Thank you for coming today. Good evening. I'm very excited to be a part of the 25th anniversary of IFA. It's Silver Jubilee. It's insane. This will be my 4th time performing back-to-back since 2022, so it's a big deal for me. And this time we're doing it in Jaipur, which is huge. It's nice to see that we're bringing IFA back to India, and this is going to be epic. As for my performance, let's see. I hope I can beat the other performances I did for IFA. 2022 was an epic one, so this time I'm taking a lot of pressure.
You know what? When pressure comes, you always overcome it. Now, because our friends from the media are people we love, IFA calls them family. यार एक snake वाला जो आपका dance step है, वो कर दो यार, बहुत trend कर रहा है. Who wants to see Nora do a snake step? Put your hands up. Yeah, हो जाएगा ऐसे ही. Imagine music head में आपके. You want me to sing it? मैं बहुत बुरा हूँ यार. Please, okay? So, center me, please, Nora. Center me. All right. Lights, camera, action. All right, but thank you so much. You are one person who has infectious energy. You want me to try it?
No, I think you should try. Everyone's seen me doing it a million times. Okay, what we gotta do? You gotta drop your hip down. Okay, but why are you bending? Be straight. Come down. Yes, very good. Now I want you to roll that stomach once.
How?
No, not the stomach, not the bum, just the stomach. Yes, just roll it in. Very good. Now after you roll it in, I want you to wave your stomach up. Okay, not bad. What do you guys think? No? It's not good?
Nora, the way you do it, come on, yaar.
You're a sport. Everyone, clap for him. He tried. I love it. Thank you.